In this video, I'm going to talk about dwell time. What is dwell time? How it is different from your bounce rate? What is the importance of dwell time? Hello friends, I'm Shivani Goel. Welcome in WsCube Tech. So let's start with the one of the topic, that is what is dwell time. So dwell time is the length of time a person spent looking at a web page after they have clicked a link on a search engine result page, but before clicking back to search engine page result. See what happened here. Let's suppose this is your Google search engine result page. When user enter any keyword, now user is able to see your website. Let's suppose this is your website here. Okay, when user click on this particular link, then they visit to your website. This is your website here. Okay, and in that case, when user click on this particular link, so they can leave one interaction here. Okay, after one interaction, they simply visit on your site, do nothing interaction is happening here. In that case, after spending 5 seconds here, they simply go back to your search engine result page. Okay, so what is this 5 second here? This 5 second is known as dwell time. This is called as dwell time here. That is the length of time people spend looking at the web page. They have clicked on the link on a search engine result page, but just before getting back, that is the time known as dwell time here. Okay, next we have what is bounce rate. So bounce rate is calculated when someone visits a single page on your website and does nothing on the page before leaving. What happened here? Same case with the dwell time. This is your search engine result page here. This is your website link. When user click this website link, they can visit on your website. They can leave one interaction there. When they visit on your website, they can do nothing and they can simply leave your website. So this is known as bounce rate. This is known as bounce rate here. Okay, now what is the difference between this dwell time and this bounce rate? Here you can see that in case of dwell time, we have a time that users spend in website. In case of bounce rate, we don't have any time which users spend here. So what is the impact of time here? See, if user spend 5 seconds on your website, it means that user is not interested in your website, so that's why they immediately leave your website. But what happens if user spend 5 minutes on your website? Okay, we have two type of user. Let's suppose user 1 spent 5 seconds in your website and user 2 spent 5 minutes in your website. In terms of your bounce rate, these both users are null lead. These both lead are null lead for us. Why? Because in both the cases, users simply visit to your website and they immediately leave your website. Okay, but for your dwell time, this is your positive lead when user spend 5 minutes on your website. Because if user spending 5 minutes, it means that user is interested in your information, whatever be the information you are added in your website. So this 5 minutes means a lot in case of dwell time. It means this is our positive lead and user is interested in our content. Okay, so this is the difference between your dwell time and bounce rate. Now, how to increase your dwell time? How we can increase our dwell time here? For increasing your dwell time, you have to produce longer and better content. You have to work with your content. You have to prioritize user experience. You have to give priority that your user experience must be strong. Okay, in that case, you have to format content with headings, subheadings and bullet points, list and short paragraphs to make it scannable. You have to keep load time below your 5 seconds just to improve the quality of your website. Then test your site across browsers like Safari, Firefox, Chrome and Opera. Okay, so these are the steps we have to take care just to increase our dwell time. If we can make our content as effective as possible, if we can make our content formatting in this way, like we have some heading, then we have some heading, then we have some bullet points list. So it is very easy for the users to read that information. That is also in the attractive form for the users. So this make a good user experience here. Okay. Next, every web page should also have a mobile friendly version. Mobile friendly website is most important, as we also have one Google algorithm here in which we have a mobile first index, which means that your website must be mobile friendly website. Okay. You have to use your strategic internal linking. With the help of internal linking, you can increase your users interaction. Okay. With the help of internal linking, user can also visit to the other pages of your website as well. Engage with the comment section on your post. On your post, if you have comment section, you have to give reply of the every comment. If your comment is positive or negative, you have to give reply for all that, so that you have to know about your users in behavior on your particular post, what your users want to say, what your users observe for your post. You have to take care about these stuff. Next, why dwell time matter in SEO? See, page visitors exit your website for several reasons, and there may be. We have to take care of these particular reasons why your user exit your website, why they leave your website page. They leave your website because might be the reason that your site is spammy, that your content is misleading, whatever be the content you are added in your site that has lot of grammatical error. Might be your page must have some slow loading speed, that can be the reason. Your website is not mobile friendly, that can be the reason. Too many pop-ups window available on your website, that is also the reason here. Okay. So these are the some reason that page visitors exit your website. Okay. And because of this, you have high bounce rate here. For your content oriented website, higher dwell time means that your page content captures the online user's search intent. What is their search intent behind this? This is a valuable insight. Optimized content is one of the most important ranking signal that search engine consider. It helps generate quality backlinks, build through leadership brands, and improve your search ranking. Okay. So for making your website content oriented and just to increase your dwell time higher, you have to take care about these activities. Okay. So this is the basic about dwell time. What is your dwell time? What is it important? How it is different from your bounce rate? So thank you so much for watching this video.